Okay guys, another video on what's in the box. Today we have a smart Wi-Fi carbon monoxide detector. This is usually to detect the gas leakage, especially if you are away from the home and if you want to monitor what's going in the home. So these smart devices are now getting really available, and this is really useful also, but it depends on your requirement. For me, I needed this one because most of the time I'll be away from the home, so just wanted to know exactly what's going in the home. And plus I'm working on this smart home project also. यो चाहिँ वाइफाई बेस ग्यास लिकेजको पत्ता लगाउने यो चाहिँ स्मार्ट डिभाइस हो। यो चाहिँ घरमा लाग्यो भनेदेखि चाहिँ घरमा नहुँदाखेरि बाहिर हुँदाखेरि के भइरहेछ कसो भइरहेछ भनेर चाहिँ स्पेशल ग्यासको छ भनेदेखि चाहिँ यसले चाहिँ तपाईलाई इन्टरनेटबाट चाहिँ you can monitor from the internet from anywhere in the world. So this is the smart devices that helps to keep home safe and keep update on what's going on. So in the house, so this is it. Size is okay. It's not that heavy, but it's okay. This is the main device. Okay, you want to get main device, and then I think this is a template. Okay, is a two-way adhesive sticker. I think this is a two-way adhesive sticker. This one, and some screws, and a manual. So this is what you get in the